Hello, Sunny. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Can you hear me well, Sunny?
Yes, what's the name of the first name? The first one I see it. I cannot.
That was
Re-
Nan.
What? What?
Nan.
Vietnamese name?
Yeah, his name is Nan.
Ah,
Do you
yes,
know him?
and yes. Why did he
Really?
do that? Why did he study in this? Your
Oh,
class,
just
I don't know everything.
do you know Nan?
Yeah.
Wow, how do you know him?
Ah,
Do
he's
you go to
in
the
my
same school?
school. Yes.
Oh, really? Are you classmates?
I don't really like that because here is a boy. I do like boys.
Yeah, but do you go to the same class with him?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why he asked, who is Min An? Yeah, he
Mm.
probably know you
Oh,
too.
it's just my Vietnamese name.
Yeah, so he probably know you because you were using your Vietnamese name, Sunny. Anyway, Sunny, how are you?
I'm good.
Wow, that's great because you always feel good. Is it raining
And
in your
you?
place? Me? I feel tired already.
Nah.
I'm tired from working whole day, but I have so much energy for you, even though that I'm tired. What did you do today, Sunny?
I'm going to school.
Oh, you
And
went
in
to
the
school.
evening,
Mm-hmm.
and in the evening, I play with my little sister, and I go outside to go for a walk.
Wow, that's really great because you had a little exercise with your little sister. Anyway, for tonight, we are now in Unit 9, which is a practice test for movers. Okay, so part 1, I'm going to ask you some questions. Let us pretend that you are the teacher tonight. How are
Yeah,
you
what?
going to introduce yourself? Oh, I remember last time, Sunny, that when I asked you about your dream job, you said that you want to become an English teacher, right?
Yes, I have English books, and I don't know. I have two questions. Maybe that kind of
What's your
very
question?
silly because there are two jobs that I want, and my favorites is a doc. I want to be a doctor and uh, an English teacher. I cannot choose because it's
You
have
cannot.
to.
Oh, so tell me the reason. Why do you want to be a doctor?
I cannot hear you.
Why do you want to be a doctor?
Uh,
Hello? Hello, Sunny?
you're
Can you hear me?
talk.
Can
Sorry,
can you
my
hear me?
internet connection.
Oh,
Now I can
yeah.
hear
All right. So why do you want to be a doctor?
because doctors help people feel well and healthy.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. Then why do you want to be an English teacher?
Because I like to speak English and teach children.
Oh, but do you know that there are also English doctors? Doctors who
Yeah,
actually
what?
speak English to their client. So you
English
can
man? Englishman for sure.
no, like I mean there are also doctors who speak English every day to their client. So if you're oh, hello Sunny. Sunny, can you hear?
Yes.
All right. So yes, if you just want to be an English teacher just so that you can speak English every day, then you can actually still be a doctor and speak English every day too with your clients. It's just that based on your reason about choosing those two professions, I think it would be better if you will be a doctor
But
because
why?
you help children, you help the people who are sick.
But I'm
Then you can
scared.
also
I'm
speak
scared,
English.
but
Oh,
like,
you're
I'm
why are
scared.
you scared?
I'm scared what? I'm scared when the stomach is, is have a stomach ache and one man is going to the hospital and what can I do about has a stomach ache?
That is why you need to study in
I
becoming a
don't know.
doctor. Yes,
Maybe
before you become a doctor, you will know everything that a doctor
I
needs
have to
to
choose
know before.
something like that.
Mhm. So, yeah, you have plenty of time to think what
But
you want for the future.
I have to think because I have two favorites in the future. I cannot choose everything.
Yes, that's right. You can only choose one profession in the future. So don't worry, Sunny, because you still have plenty of time. If you're going to ask your mom, what does she prefer? Does she want you to become a doctor or an English teacher?
The people too is is teaching students about English, and she works as an office worker. Okay,
Oh, no, no, no. Like your mom. If you're going to ask your mom, Mom, what do you want me to do in the future? Being a doctor or being an English teacher? So what does she want for you in the future?
I don't know.
You don't know. You try to ask. Maybe your mom can help you to decide which profession. Because whenever that you go to high school, you should already know what profession to take in college. Yes.
But
Okay.
I
So,
just
mhm.
I just want I just want to speak English and
Yeah, then you
um
can be a doctor for
oh I have
international people.
I have a question.
What's your
Uh
question?
uh I need to talk to you something.
What is
What
it?
is uh what is Sydney? Because my mom said that I don't know Sydney. Not Disney, is Sydney.
Sydney? Disney and Sydney are different. When we say Disney, that is actually
I
the
don't
one
say
that we
Sid
can see in the
I
movie.
don't say Disney. I say Sydney. Okay?
Sydney, like this one. Let me spell it for you like this, Sydney.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, Sydney is actually a place in Australia. It's a city
Ah,
in Australia. Oh, do you have any plans to go to Sydney?
um, what what language is do you speak?
They speak English in Australia.
Ah,
Why?
uh, because I have a competitions and if I win, I go to Sydney.
What competition is that? I'm so excited for you, Sunny.
Uh, that's why I have to practice.
Yes,
I'm too worried.
yes, and you know what? Almost all people in Sydney speak English, and the way they speak English is not the same as us. Yeah, because our accent is very clear, but them, their accent is like people from UK. They speak
Like,
very
like they
fluent.
speak like. Hello, my name is Mia. I'm 8 years old.
Mhm.
They speak very
Yes, and
fast,
so
right?
fast. Yes, and they speak so fast, Sunny. But I think you can you can easily catch up with them. So what's the competition all about, Sunny? Is it
It's it's all about English.
wow, that's nice. Okay, like did it start already?
Uh, not already.
Then who are your competitors?
What is comparators?
Oh, for example, okay, you are the representative from your school. Then your competitors are other people from different school in your place. Yes, it's like
what does it mean? You just mean. Other students in other
Oh,
school
no, no,
connect
no.
to
That's
me.
not. That's only an example. When we say competitor, those are the two people who are fighting with each other
Ah,
to
I
get the
know.
prize. For
Mm.
example, whenever that you join a singing contest, you have to give your very best so that you will win, or else your competitors will win the prize. Do you get it now?
Rest, the last day, I, I don't know. Can I write?
Sure.
Uh,
It's
uh,
actually the spelling of the word competitor. Competitor. They're going to compete with you.
yeah.
Let me see.
Uh,
Oh, the last day. What about the last day of November? Is this the time that you're going to join a competition?
no. On the last day of November, I get the prize. Prize.
Oh,
Okay.
wow. Yes. Well, let me
I
know if
don't
you
know.
win,
I start
Sunny.
it because I'm too busy.
Oh, wow. Did you practice?
Um, mm, not
Yeah.
already. I just maybe I just practice a little bit, and it's too difficult for me. But other students that continued like me, they study work very hard, but they cannot like me because they cannot speak English. They just said Vietnamese word. That's like my classmate because I sit next to her and she said some Vietnamese words because use English words and she will mean in English in Vietnamese, but she cannot say anything.
But does she
And I
understand
said
whenever that you
Vietnamese.
speak in English to her?
Yeah, I speak English to her, but she didn't know anything because she don't know what was I saying.
Ah, all right. Then you need to practice more and more, Sunny.
But I said about myself, she's crazy in her brain because she I she wants to me set myself very fast. Like, hello, my name is Sunny. I'm 8 years old. Yeah, and she's my math so fast, and she said Vietnamese. She don't know what I was saying because I'm saying too fast.
So what was your question to her?
What's your name? What's your hobby?
Oh, really? And she doesn't know that one? All right. How old is your classmate?
Oh, I'm 8 years old and she 8 years old. Uh,
Oh, same age. All right. So she just need to practice more and more in English,
but
Sunny.
she
So
she
aside
don't have
from joining,
time.
yeah, that's the thing. If you don't have time about one thing, if you don't have the time to practice about the thing that you want, then you won't be able to do that thing. Yeah. If you want to join the competition to go to Sydney, okay,
I
and without
I I have
practice, then
I
you
have
won't be able to go
joined
to Sydney. Mm-hmm.
my school and other school fight each other, and I don't know everything because at the last day of the November I get the prize, but I don't know when I do that.
Yeah, so what did you do in that competition, Sunny?
I I start said English because the competitions had to speak English like hello, my name is, but it have to be fast. It's not like hello, my name is Ming. Not like that because it's too slow.
So was it a reading competition, speaking competition?
Yes. A
All
listening
right, so
competition.
I want you to practice. What did you say in that competition?
Mm, I don't know. But my English teacher said a different words, but it's a difficult word. But
Oh, it's
let
uh-huh. Oh, it's
but
probably like a speaking and listening competition in English, right?
yes, but it's difficult.
Ah, all right. Did your teacher ask you some questions and you just answered?
Yes, it's too easy.
Oh, wow, very good. What was her question?
Uh, maybe
Can you give me some of her questions to you?
just as she said, talk about yourself, but you have to be fast. If you don't say fast, you will be lost. And I said very fast, but she said it's very slow. She said I have to practice.
Oh, yes. Okay, so it is indeed a speaking test and listening test. It's like an IELTS. Yes. All
Like
right, Sunny.
like
So, mm-hmm.
we we text many ones and we have to text very fast. So we call a contest. Okay?
Yes. Well, that's great, Sunny. Okay, so Sunny, let us practice. Yeah, this
Okay.
will actually help you in that competition. So let's apply what your teacher want you to do in your speaking test. Since she complained that you're still a bit slow in speaking, then yeah, actually it's not about speaking so fast. It's about the content of what you speak about. Yes. But of course, you have to talk moderately, not too fast and not too slow. Just enough so that the other people can actually understand you. Okay, so the first question, Sunny, what is a circus?
Oh, I forgot to tell you that the president of Sydney will come to check.
Will come to check who will go to Sydney?
Yes, yes, yes.
Wow, that's so exciting. You will be able to meet the president of Sydney. He's actually a very important person. Yeah, so what are you going to do if you ever meet the president in person, Sunny?
I just say hello and I talk about myself. That's what my teacher said to
Yes,
me.
very good. And you can actually say, "Hi, it's nice to meet you. My name is Sunny." Then you do the shake hands properly. Do you know how to do the shake hands?
She can like this.
Oh, no, don't do it like that. My God. You have to do it properly like a businesswoman. Not not like that. No, it's
Yes, like
one,
this.
two, three. No, not like that, Sunny. Just that. One, two. Okay. Oh, it's nice to meet you. Welcome to my country. You can actually, hey, it's nice to meet you. How's your flight? Welcome to my country. My name is Sunny. Then you can actually do the shake hand. And among all your classmates, you're the only one who did the shake hand. Then then you will
Why?
actually leave a good impression to the president. Oh wow, that student is very confident. Yeah.
Why did I have to shake hands?
That is actually a way of greeting people
Uh,
professionally. You try to ask your teacher, like, teacher, is it okay to do shake hands with
but
the
let
president
me
from
think
Sydney?
so because I never meet the president of Sydney because I'm too young for go to Sydney. But my teacher said youngs are younger not often. But Ross said normal words and also different difficult words that is from Sydney and then you can go. It's not like your ages. Just can go or even older age, but you can go because
Oh, I don't
I was
understand.
you cannot understand because when I was young, some of the plants in Sydney don't. to let me go. And my
Oh,
mom
actually,
said,
there's no age restriction whenever that you want to travel
uh,
in Sydney. But of course, you
my
need to get
teacher
a
said it.
visa. You
My,
need to get a visa to travel to Sydney.
what is
Yeah.
that?
What is a visa?
Yeah, I
A
don't
visa
know
will
what it
actually
means.
allow you to go to that specific country. Without it, that means you cannot go there. So actually,
Can
getting a
can
visa
I
going to
go with my
Sydney,
friends, family, and my uncle, aunt, my cousin too?
of course, if they have legal documents to prove
I I
their purpose in
legal
going to Sydney.
what? Legal?
Legal documents. When we say legal documents, those are actually papers that will prove that you can what's that afford to travel to Sydney. Because actually, Sunny, there are different types of visa. For example, student visa. So when we say visa, you have this one because you want to go to Sydney to study as a student. Then they will give you a student visa. Next, you will go there as a tourist. Do you know what a tourist is?
Tourist means it's a high tower, right? Like
Oh, actually, a tourist is a person who would go to a country just to explore the beauty of that country. For example, you want to go to Sydney to explore the beauty of Australia like that. Okay, then you can actually apply for a tourist visa. But you have to prove that you can afford Sydney like that.
when I have a question. When
Mm-hmm.
I go by airline can how many times that it get to Australia from Haiphong to Australia?
Oh, I don't know because I've never
I
gone to
cannot
Australia
hear
yet.
you because my
You will
friend. Uh,
you will actually know once you book a ticket already. Or you can actually search on the internet like how far is Australia from your country?
five
Then you
what?
can see how
I
many
I just
miles.
know five what?
Five what?
Mm,
5 miles? Oh, that's too. That's too close.
no, five what?
5 hours?
Five. Yeah, right?
Oh, probably like that. Oh, you mean the duration of the flight, right? Probably.
Yeah.
I'm not sure, Sydney. I'm not sure, Sydney. I'm not sure, Sunny. Yeah, so if it's just 5 hours, then Australia is very close. Is very close. Yeah. If you will be given a chance to go to Sydney, who are you going with, Sunny? Are you going alone with your friends or with your
I
family?
go with my family and um with my uncle, my aunt, and my cousin.
Wow, that's really nice. So it's like a family vacation too. A double purpose in going to Sydney. Do you already have a passport, Sunny?
We have to. I have is 9 hours. I searched for Google. It's 9 hours.
Let me see. Let's verify it if it's indeed 9 hours. Because of course I haven't gone to Sydney yet. Where do you
Um,
live in Vietnam, Sunny?
it's Hai Phong.
Hai Phang? Oh,
Yeah.
Hai. How do you spell that? Hai Phang? H-A-I-P-H-A-M?
Okay. I text in the screen. I text in the screen. You can see it now.
Hai Phong. All right. Hai Phong to Sydney. Oh, actually, it says approximately 12 to 18 hours.
Oh my God.
Yes. If
Why it's so
only,
long?
actually, oh, Sunny, actually, it depends to the duration of your flight. It says 12 to 18 hours if you have connecting flights. If you're going to fly with two different planes. So yeah, but
What is
I'm
that?
not sure if there's also a direct flight going to Sydney from Haiphong.
Aren't there any Vietnam Airlines?
Vietnam Airlines? It depends. You can actually check their website. Yeah. And you don't have to book. You can just look with your mom. How long will it take you to go to Sydney from Haiphong? Is there a direct flight or just a connecting flight like that? Then your mom will surely figure it out. But no, Sunny,
I go with
the
my
the
English
first
teacher, and in my school there are two English teachers. Is wait, got it. Let's just write because
yes.
they are the English teachers that they works very hard.
Wow, that's really great. Yes, and how often do you practice with them? Do you practice every day?
Yeah,
Wow, very good, Sunny. So yes, do your best in every practice that you have with them. Then be serious in learning English. Listen to your teachers because those are the only things that can actually help you to win and go to Sydney. Do you want to go to Sydney?
yes, I do because
Ve-
I'm very excited.
Very good. Then do your
I cannot
best,
wait.
Sunny. Wow. So how many students are allowed to go to Sydney with your teachers?
Hmm. I have to choose one or two students because they are my best friends. Also, they play with me every day
Oh no,
with
like
their parents
according
too.
to your teachers, how many students are only allowed to go to Sydney? Is it only one or two?
Yeah,
Just one?
one or two. Okay.
One or two. So yes, do your best, Sunny. All right. So anyway, Sunny, it's already time. Oh my God, we just talked about your Sydney trip. Anyway, good luck in your upcoming competition and do your best. Yes. Goodbye, Sunny. See
Bye
you
bye.
tomorrow.